Good morning, children. Let us continue with our fourth lesson, Files and Folders in Windows 7. Children, I have already told you how to create a new file and folder. But let us revise it. Let us see the following steps. Open the folder in which you want to create a file. Then you have to right click on the empty section of the folder. This I have already told you. Click on new and then click on the type of file you want to create. Suppose you want to create a Word document, then you will go to document. Type the name you want to use for the new file and then just you have to press enter key. Now in the same manner, we can create the folder also on the desktop. So, let us see the steps. Right click the mouse on the blank area. This thing is very important, children. You have to right click on the blank area only. A menu will appear. Then you have to select new. A sub menu will appear. Click on the folder. We are going to create a folder. So you have to select folder option. An icon for the new folder appears on the desktop. Now, whatever name you want to give, you can give it to the folder. And then after naming it, just press enter key. So, let us children learn about how to create the file on your desktop. This is the start button. You will go to the empty area, then right click. What you will find? New. And then you will come to text document. So this will appear and then you can rename it. The process is very simple, children. I hope you have understood. Okay, children, let us learn how we can create folder now on your desktop. This is the desktop, and then what you have to do, you have to just go on the blank area, right click, and then you will come down to new and then you will select folder. After selecting folder, in the same manner we have created the file, the folder will appear on your desktop and you have to name it and then press enter key. Now let us learn how we can rename a file and folder. We can rename a file and folder. What are the steps? Open the folder that contains the file you want to rename. Click on the file you want to rename. You just have to select it. Click on Organize. Click on Rename option. Type a new name for the file and press Enter key. Let us see this, how we can rename a file. Yes, children, today we are going to see how we can rename a folder or a file. You can see many pictures over here on your screen. So if you want to change the name Or you can say, if you want to rename any of the picture, what you have to do? Suppose I select this picture, and once I have selected, I will just right click on it. Just see, I will just take my mouse to here and it is highlighted now. So I will right click. You will see many options over here. Just at the bottom you will see rename. Just you will click it once. Then now it will be highlighted. As you can see here, it is highlighted now. So if you want to write any name, you can give any name of your choice. As you can see, it is of pink color. So I can write pink rose. And just I have to press enter key. So it will be saved as pink rose. Suppose again I want to select one more picture. You can select this one and you can again rename. Here it is written images 6. So you can select it. If you want to rename it, just right click on it and then this drop down will appear. You will go to rename and then you will write the new name. Okay. It's a big tree. I can write big tree. And then I will press only enter key. That's all. It will be saved. So this way you can rename your files or any folders. Now children, let us learn about copying and moving a file or folder. Same steps we are going to follow for file and folder. Let us see the simple steps. Open the folder containing the file you want to copy. Click on Organize. Click on Cut if you want to move the file from one location to another location. Remember children, if you are cutting, it means that you are moving the file from one location to another. It will not appear in that folder. Now it will appear in the new folder wherever you are pasting it. And when you are copying, it means you are creating a duplicate copy of it. It will appear on the location as well as at the new location. Navigate the folder where you want your file to paste. Click on Organize and then click on Paste. Windows will copy or move the file. Children, today we are going to learn about copy and move. So, let us begin with copy. Suppose I want to copy this picture to any other folder. What I am going to do? I am going to select it. Once I have selected, it will be highlighted and then I will right click on it. This menu will appear and you will go to copy and then you will click it once. Then wherever you want to copy, you will go there. Suppose the desktop is there. This is the quick access. You can see all the folders and files over here. So desktop is there and in the desktop I want to copy this picture in my new folder. So I will go to the new folder and then again I will right click and I will paste. See, the picture is now pasted over here. Then again I will go back, desktop, pictures. So it is pasted over here also and in that new folder also, because we have copied the image. Now, suppose you want to move the image. Then you what have to do? Suppose I want to move this image. I will just right click on it. Then I will go to cut option. I have selected cut option. And then again I will go back to new folder and I will again paste. So it has been moved from that folder to this new folder. Two images are over here. Let us check whether that image is there or not. See, that image is not here. This we have copied there, so it is here. The picture which we have moved from here to that new folder, it is not here. Children, I hope you have understood. You can practice it and then you will get it. Now children, let us learn the shortcut keys. Very simple keys. Copy. If you want to copy it, you have to just press Ctrl plus C. If you want to move, or you can say cut, so you have to press Ctrl plus X. And for paste, the shortcut key is Ctrl plus V. Thank you children for watching this video.